When we talk about technological transformative era or Industry 4.0, we talk about technologies associated with it. Today, we at Genetics India would go through one of the technologies of Industry 4.0, Cobots.
This is the next gen robots, collaborative robot. This has been introduced to collaborate with the humans. These robots have come with different features, different technologies that can understand that there is something nearby.
Right.
So let's take, for example, when this robot is moving, human is there. When it hits, it will stop, it will not work.
Right. That's why we call collaborative robots. Right.
And other thing about this is, way of programming that it does is very simple. Manual mode, I can program the robot or position the robot with just moving it to that current position. There is a button which says free. When I press it, it can move in any direction that I want to.
Right. This is specifically for the colleges.
This is actually an industrial standard robot. So this directly being consumed by industry.
Right.
Idea is to teach 1:1. Whatever is used in industry, that has to be taught in the. We provide this with features like AI. We are trying to give eyes and a brain to it, so that it sees, understands and performs.
Right.
So for example, here we have objects that is placed.
Yeah.
Even the orientation of the object changes.
Right.
The robot will orient itself and
Right.
pick it up and do its work. This is compatible with ROS.
Right.
Robotic operating system.
Right. Is it a standalone or is it integrated with other technologies as well?
So the gripper is modular, industrial gripper.
Correct.
So if they want to change or develop new grippers, that is possible.
Right.
We have mounted this on our profile.
Correct.
And if they want to change the application and introduce something new, to take up any industrial case study or an issue and they want to develop something for it, they can do it. Actual industrial application, that is also possible.